Hey Mosh Pit All-Stars, Facebook, Roadhouse, Dalton here. First episode of the 2020 Summer Games, all thanks to Uncle Dan's Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings. For the occasion, you gotta check out the shirt I got. I think I'm bringing a little bit of luck wearing this thing. We're gonna see. So, yeah, say hi to her, Mom. She's gonna be helping me out. We're using her kitchen. I came up from the basement, which doesn't happen very often. And yeah, we're gonna be cooking some stuff. So for the very first episode on my half, kind of a caveat too, I'm not gonna use any meat all summer long in any of these recipes. We might make some recipes where you can easily throw meat in there, but yeah, not for me. Scotty Buns will be cooking up stuff with meat in it. So this caught my eye up at UncleDans.com, where you can find all of these flavors and many, many more if you hop up to UncleDans.com, www.UncleDans.com. Fill up your cart with some good stuff. This one caught my eye though because I've been a huge fan of cheese balls on game day. They're just awesome. This is a country dill cheese ball that you can make at home, and never once have I ever thought to make a cheese ball at home. And I saw how easy this was. It kind of seems like a good recipe to start things out. If I mess this up though, it's gonna be a very long summer of me cooking. Mom, can I cook at all?
No,
I can't. So hopefully by the end of the summer,
you'll learn something.
I can cook a little bit better here. So you can almost call this a cooking class in itself as well. But no,
it's like give them sympathy views.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it is. So let's get to it. All you need for this recipe here, I have the instructions. I printed them right off UncleDans.com. So many recipes up there. We need 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, which I've already kind of got one of them mixed up here, as you can see. I got the other one right here. You need 1 package of Uncle Dan's Country Dill seasoning, right here. We got it. Very straightforward recipe. 2.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I got Sharp. I love Sharp. And 1.5 cups of chopped pecans. We did almonds because me, with no experience in cooking, didn't realize that chopped pecans are in the aisle with all the cooking ingredients. I couldn't find them. And I like almonds, so I figured, let's see what happens if we do it. So, yeah. So all you're gonna do basically is mash the cream cheese up. So I'm gonna throw this other stick of cream cheese in here. Get rid of that over here. Make sure you wash your hands, Mosh Pit All-Stars. Honestly, I started doing this for about 20 seconds and then realized I didn't wash my hands. So, yeah. Mom yelled at me a little bit. So, yeah, we're going to get this all mashed up a little bit. I just got it at the store a little bit ago, so it might be a little hard to get mashed up, but I think it's doing all right.
You're doing good.
Yeah, thanks, Mom. That's what I need you here for. Just encouragement, because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. All right, so now we're going to mix in the cheddar cheese. Also, if you guys can think of any great recipes that we can use with Uncle Dan's Salad Dressings, Dips, and Seasonings, drop them in the comments, send them in a message to our Facebook page, whatever you want to do. Maybe down the road we can use some of those recipes. See? This is a lot of cheese. Holy smokes.
That's why it's a cheese ball.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah, I grew up on Uncle Dan's dressing.
That's right, you were saying. Because when I read this, I said 39 cents for 1 full serving. You can't get anything for 39 cents with 1 full serving.
No.
So what, you've been eating or having Uncle Dan's since...
Well, I'm 50-something now, so when I was little.
Yeah, Grandma used to
Yep, she used to love that stuff.
Country dill smells good. So once we get the cheese in there, we're going to put a whole thing of the country dill into this. And we are going to mix it all up. Hopefully, I can get this mixed up all right.
Use your muscles.
Do I have muscles?
I don't know.
No.
It's a big one between your ears.
Oh, man. Okay, so we're going to just keep on mixing this. Remember, you view this, it's a vote for me. Oh yeah, and did I mention the loser has to?
There's a spatula in the middle drawer there if you need to use it.
Oh, I'm
scrape
going
off
to.
stuff.
Yes.
Okay.
The loser has to wash GA's truck by hand. I can't remember the last time I washed a vehicle by hand. That's something else I'm not very good at. So we're just gonna keep on mixing this up.
Yep. Keep mixing. Don't stop now.
Here we go. Keep it going. Keep it going.
You're taking Mom to Vegas with you if you win this,
No,
right?
what?
That's the plan.
I'm gonna start doing these solo if that's the plan. I already went to Vegas with you once with
Yeah. That's right. The
Kirsten
family.
and Dad.
It was fun.
That's when you want your very first Vegas trip is with your family. For how many days did we go to?
It was a week. It was too long.
I can't believe you did that to us.
I know.
Yeah, we spent a week in Vegas as a family.
It was for 4th of July, I think, too.
Oh yeah, it was. That was really cool.
Yeah,
But I haven't been to Vegas since then. I must have just turned 21, so I didn't get to do any real partying because I was with you guys.
Well,
the
you
whole
could
time.
have. Your
No.
sister did.
No, she did. Well, she got pretty wasted. Yeah, she did. What do you think, Mom? How's
Let me
this?
see. Let's take a peek here.
I think it's pretty mixed
Oh,
up.
yeah, that's looking really good.
Okay.
It's looking really good.
So, let's get a spatula here.
Yeah, in that middle drawer there.
Here we go. This is a spatula, right?
Yes, that
Okay.
is, well, it's a rubber scraper. is what
Okay,
it
it
is,
works.
so
I'm gonna
that
throw
works.
this in the sink real quick.
Okay,
Okay, so next what we're gonna do
get your plastic.
is we are, I know.
Sorry.
This guy, right?
Nope.
This guy?
Yep,
Okay.
because you gotta shape it.
Well, we gotta put the, roll
put
it
it
around
on-
in
you
the
put it in-
almonds.
No, you put it in there and shape it, and then you roll in
Oh,
the
yeah,
almonds.
okay. Yeah, I don't follow instructions well. Thank goodness you're here.
I can hear GA now.
Okay, let's get all this stuff. Okay, so this is the fun part.
That's huge.
Yeah, no kidding. That's what she said. Sorry, Mom. Okay, so we're gonna get this all shaped into a ball here as best as possible. Yep, playing with balls for the first episode of the 2020 Summer Games, all thanks to Uncle Dan's. Is this...
Keep going, it's gotta be round.
Oh God, it's so hard to do. Okay, we're getting there.
Quit whining.
I'm sorry. I'm a complainer. Okay, there we go.
Okay, that's not looking too
It
that's
might
looking
be
good.
kind of an egg-shaped.
Okay,
That's okay though.
all right. Now get your,
Okay, so
Plastic.
now we need the wax paper.
yep.
Okay.
Put your almonds on it.
Okay.
Just drop them all on there. And then you're gonna
Evenly
roll,
spread them.
then you're gonna roll that cheese ball around it. There you go.
Okay, so we got the ball here. I'm just gonna plop it down.
Roll it around.
Okay, roll it around in the almonds.
Yep.
Ooh. You probably could use gloves for this. You probably should use gloves for this, but yeah, we're gonna just give it a go.
You got a lot of cheese ball to eat, Dalton.
Yeah, oh my gosh. This will last. And the cool thing about this, if I was going to a party or something, you know, one of those like fine parties, dinner parties I don't go to normally, but if I were to, this would be pretty impressive. I feel like if you rolled up with a homemade cheese ball.
Coming from you,
Country
yes, it
dill
would be.
cheese ball.
That's looking good, Dalton.
Okay, sweet.
I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I think
Jeez.
it's pretty...
I think it's pretty cool.
Okay.
All right, put it with your.
Oh no. There we go. This thing's sliding around everywhere. So after you do this, you're supposed to refrigerate it. Let
Right.
it all cool until it's ready to serve. I'm going to skip that part because we don't have the time to do that, but it is going to go in the fridge and I am going to chow down on this later. There we go. Episode 1, week 1 of the 2020 Summer Games, all thanks to Uncle Dan's salad dressings, dips, and seasonings.
Yeah,
Does it look pretty good?
it looks really good.
Okay.
I'm really impressed.
Thank
you.
you.
Did a good job.
That's all I wanted.